For though we love both the truth and our friends, pity requires us to honor the truth first. Truth is the property of no individual but is the treasure of all men. Of life's two chief prizes, beauty and truth. I found the first in a loving heart and the second in a laborer's hand. Once you go inside and weed through the muck, you will find the real beauty, the truth about yourself. Truth is a deep kindness that teaches us to be content in our everyday life and share with the people the same happiness. First and last, what is demanded of genius is love of truth. The man who fears no truth has nothing to fear from lies. When you stretch the truth, watch out for the snapback. What I know for sure is that speaking your truth is the most powerful tool we have. Standing courageously for an unpopular opinion isn't easy, but the rewards of standing courageously for the truth will last forever. Truth isn't always beauty, but the hunger for it is. Truth is always universal. Dear friends, the fact that a great many people believe something is no guarantee of its truth. A lie travels around the world while truth is putting her boots on. A lie can travel halfway around the world while the truth is putting on its shoes. If you want to have a healthy mind, you must feed your mind with truth. We must be willing and prepared to stare at ourselves in the mirror and speak the truth. Intuition comes from a place inside you that connects to a truth that is totally accessible. In a time of deceit telling, the truth is a revolutionary act. Many a doctrine is like a window pane. We see truth through it, but it divides us from truth. Truth is powerful and it prevails. Honesty is the first chapter in the book of wisdom. Beauty is truth's smile when she beholds her own face in a perfect mirror. We all quote scriptures reflecting that God's ways are not man's ways, but because of science we rebel against the truth. Thank you very much.